66. v and w are positive integers. If v divided by w is less than 1, what must be true about w divided by v? Let's consider some values. If we know that v is divided by w, and that gives us an answer which is less than 1, it means that the value of w must be higher than the value of v. For example, if I said that v was 2 and w had the same value, then the answer we would generate would be 1. But the minute I make w larger, so if I said that v was 2 and w was 3, this would generate an answer which was lower than 1. We would have a decimal answer. Therefore, we can say that option A was the right answer here. This symbol means is greater than, so we can say that w, its value, must be greater than v. It's not the other way round. W is not less than v. We proved that those two values cannot be the same, and we cannot say that w divided by v would be less than 1, because this would mean we would say 3 divided by 2, and that would give an answer greater than 1. Although we could say that the two values might be decimal numbers in that they could add together to give 1, and we could still say that v divided by w would give an answer less than 1, we're looking for a statement which must be true, not which could be true. So that means option A was indeed correct. If we're saying that v divided by w is less than 1, then that means the value of w must be greater than the value of v.